Mago kanyiro gen sigana motenore kawuono koda ng'eto mano mardo ewi nek mar Sharon Otieno gigo mabende pod wabiro medo luon kanyakla kod paro mopogore mabende medo wuok mano kuwuok kuom jokanyo maka kod kacha. Komachielo eni Komishona ma Nyanza Onesmus Kiatha koro ogolo siem ne jonjore e boma ma Kisumu kod aluora mare ni obila biro rakore kodgi eneno ni timbe kuo ahinya to kuonde dak orumo. Owacho ni ndalo mokalo chien jomaundu ahinya to mago matiyo koda piko osehonore kendo monjo jopiny gino mowacho ni koro nyaka rum. Omedo ni arita osejiw ka thoth jonjore go osemaki kendo buche gi nie doho. Kiatha ne loso seche mano timo limbe e kar nyisruok ma Kisumu SK Showground.
We are determined to ensure that we root out some of those small issues that are happening here. We know this is a society whereby some fellows are trying to make their living out of what they have not planted. And we will deal with them firmly as a government. And I mark my words, I will be here and I will be with you here so that we address some of these concerns. Small issues whereby phone snatching, issues of attacking pedestrians, it will be a thing of the past. We'll deal with it firmly through the judicial system and ensure that whoever is doing it, he must stop it so that we can engage in meaningful activity like what we are doing today. Let us, our youths, we want to encourage them. Let us come and get these technologies here. When you go back home, you will be able to do so. You will be able to make your livelihood better and earn a living from some meaningful activity instead of now, for instance, those issues which we are witnessing here. So those concerns will be addressed fully. I'm not saying they are there, they are not there, they have been addressed. And we are with the County Commissioner here. He has been engaging the leadership here. We are just watching and we are there in order to ensure that we address these concerns. We will not sit back and watch as some of these criminal activities are perpetuated by a few.